Hello friends, welcome back to Grand Cooking. Today, Grandmom will be preparing Andhra style chili chicken curry. Let's see the ingredients. Dry coconut, cinnamon and cloves, garlic, coriander leaves and ginger. Add all the ingredients and grind it to a paste. This delicacy will be loved by every spicy Andhra food lover. In a pan, add 60 ml of oil. Add chopped onions. Saute the onions. And once start showing color, add 1 kilo of chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add the green masala. Mix it well and add green chilies. Make sure to slit the chilies and the quantity depends on your taste. Add salt to taste. Mix it, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir it occasionally. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup of water. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. And your Andhra style chili chicken is ready. Isn't it really simple, friends? We hope you try this. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe and comment. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.